What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by SuperEQ, and this is the S1 Hybrid ANC headphones that have transparency mode built into it. How awesome is that? Now, these are noise-canceling headphones that have full-on active noise cancellation that allows you to fully immerse yourself in the sound should you be on an airplane or maybe a busy airport, maybe you're stuck in the car listening to your parents talk, whatever the case that you want to block out, this thing has the capability of blocking it out, and it's very, very comfortable because the memory cups themselves are super soft, but they're also snug as well, so they're not going to fall off your head should you choose to use them for working out or something of those sorts. And like we've seen with many headphones today, these come with a cool feature that is transparency mode. You see, oftentimes you don't want to deal with the inconvenience of taking off your headphones, so of course maybe, just maybe, you want to be able to listen to what's around you in a loud amount. Well, that's where transparency mode comes in, which is really cool. These headphones are pretty decent for the price. Obviously, you're not going to be getting some $500 equalizer quality or something of those sorts, but the bass is solid, the trebles are okay, and of course it's clear to the utmost extent. And of course, my only gripe with these headphones would be maybe if you are obsessed with trebles and super clear type of sound, maybe these aren't for you. But the reason, again, the standoff is that you're getting noise cancellation. Whenever you add noise cancellation in the headphones, of course the quality isn't going to be top notch because of that feature. It's blocking out sounds by shooting out these little sound waves in general. The other interesting thing that I've seen on these headphones that I haven't seen on other headphones is that most headphones have 20 hours of battery life. You know, that's usually enough for a flight and whatnot, but then you got to charge it. These have 45 hours of playtime. So if battery life is something you are really, you know, a big fan of, these are 10 out of 10. Like, wow, that's amazing battery life, especially for noise canceling headphones. And sometimes I have my noise canceling headphones just noise cancel and I don't actually listen to any music or anything. I have so sores, I just go to sleep. So if that's something you're about, these are just absolutely spectacular in that regard. So once again, check it out yourself. Go ahead, check out the link below. They have a $5 off code on their website right now and all that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Who knows, maybe I'll have my own discount below. It's all a surprise. So go ahead, check out the link. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.